Inequality. We all know what numbers are. But what if I told you that solving inequalities is just about knowing which number is bigger or smaller? Let's have a look at the four inequality symbols or operators as they are sometimes called. We have the greater than operator, the greater than or equal to operator, the lesser than operator, and the lesser than or equal to operator. Now, what is meant by greater than? Now, this symbol that you see in mathematics means greater than. So if I say x is greater than 5, I'm just saying, hi, I don't know the value of x, but I do know it has to be more than 5. And this arrow on the number line clearly depicts my point of view. You see that it does not include 5. That's why I have put a empty circle right above 5. But it does include 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and it goes right up to plus infinity or the largest number possible. So x can be anything other than 5, and it keeps on increasing and goes right up to infinity. Okay, now what does this symbol mean? This symbol means greater than or equal to. So x is greater than or equal to 5, and it means that the value of x can be 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and it will go on till it becomes the largest number. And here 5 is also included, and that's why I have put a circle that is shaded or it's filled in to indicate that 5 is also a value that x can take, but it can also take values greater than 5 right up to plus infinity. Now, this symbol in math means lesser than. So if I say x is less than 5, it means I don't know what x is, but it can take any value less than 5. And this is depicted by this arrow, which is moving to the left-hand side towards minus infinity or a very large negative number. It starts from 4 and then goes to 3, 2, 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So I have depicted all the integer values. So it actually starts at around 4.9 over here and then becomes less and less and less until it becomes minus infinity. And do note that 5 is not included here. 5 is not a value of x. That is exactly why I have put an empty circle above 5. It is not shaded to indicate that 5 is not a value of x. X does not take the value 5, but it takes everything less than 5. So now let's move on to the next symbol. This symbol in math means less than or equal to. So x is less than or equal to 5. So what does that mean? It means x can take a value of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, and it goes on till minus infinity, which is the smallest number possible. That is, it's a negative number and it is very small in value. Okay, so I hope this is clear now. And from this, you would have understood that the inequalities actually deal with a range of values and not just one single value. I hope this is clear to you now. Thank you very much. If you have any doubts, you can ask it in the comment section. Bye for now.